Good morning students. In today's video we will study about special products and expansions. So here we will study about some special products, means we will have some special formulas here for the product. So if suppose you have a plus b whole square, right? You can write this as a plus b into a plus b. It's a plus b whole square. It means you are multiplying this bracket 2 times. You are multiplying this bracket 2 times. So one way is that you simply multiply the way you studied multiplication. This a with the next second bracket a plus b, and then plus b with the next bracket a plus b. This is your one method. And on simplifying this, you will get a square plus ab plus ba plus b square, and which is a square plus ab plus ba. They are like terms, and like terms it means you can combine. It means it will be 2ab plus b square. So here you can see that a plus b whole square can be written like this, a plus b into a plus b, and which on multiplication will give you a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is a formula which you can learn as such. So whenever you will have a plus b whole square, you can simply expand it as a square plus 2ab plus b square. You need not multiply like this, right? Now I will take some examples on this. So suppose I am taking a question. You have 3x plus 4 into 3x plus 4. So you can see that here you have to multiply these two brackets and they are exactly same. You can treat this as A and this as B. So this is A and this is B. So it's exactly like this formula where you have a plus b into a plus b. So which you can write as a plus b whole square. This is a, this is b. A plus b whole square. And what this formula says? It says it is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what have you taken as a? We have taken a as 3x, b as 4, right? So let us solve now. So it says, formula says a square, means a is 3x. So 3x square plus 2 into a into b. 2 into a is 3x and b is 4. So 2ab plus the formula says b square. So b is 4. So it is 4 square. So on simplifying it further, 3x square means the square is of 3 as well as of x. दोनों का square है. तो 3 का square 9, x का square x square, right? Then plus 2 into 3x into 4. So 2 into 3 is 6, 2 3s are 6, and 6 into 4 is 24. So it is 24x. And then you have plus 4 square. 4 square is 16. So 3x plus 4 into 2x plus 4 can be written as 3x plus 4 whole square. And then you will apply this formula. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. And on simplifying this, you will get this. So this is your answer. So this is how you will use this formula. So we will take one more example to understand this. Now suppose you have a question like this. A plus 1 by 2 whole square. So again this is resembling with this formula, A's value is A only and B's value is 1 by 2. तो फॉर्मूले में क्या होगा, a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर. तो a की जगह पे तो a ही है, तो a स्क्वायर प्लस 2, a की जगह पे यहाँ a ही है, सो a, और b की जगह पे यहाँ पे 1 by 2 है, राइट, प्लस b स्क्वायर. तो b की जगह पे यहाँ पे क्या है, 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 square. So it will become a square plus, here you can see that 2 is getting multiplied with 1 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 means 2 and 2 will cancel and you are left with a plus 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4, right? So I hope this is clear to you that how you will use this formula, right? One more example I am taking here to explain this formula to you. So here these two brackets are given to you and they are in product. और ये दोनों ब्रैकेट्स एग्जैक्टली सेम है, तो हम इन दोनों को इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं होल स्क्वायर, राइट, एंड देन दिस विल रिजेंबल्स विद दिस फॉर्मूला a प्लस b होल स्क्वायर, राइट. लेकिन यहाँ पे a की जगह पे क्या है, a प्लस b होल स्क्वायर, तो a की जगह पे है 2x स्क्वायर और b की जगह पे क्या है, इस b की जगह पे क्या है, 1 by 2. So value of a will be 2x square and value of b will be 1 by 2. तो अब हम फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे, 2x square plus 1 by 2 whole square is equals to a square. तो a की जगह पे क्या है, 2x square. तो 2x square का स्क्वायर प्लस 2a, a की जगह पे क्या आएगा, 2x स्क्वायर इंटू b, b की जगह पे क्या आएगा, 1 by 2, राइट, एंड देन प्लस b स्क्वायर, b की जगह पे क्या आएगा, 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 स्क्वायर. नाउ वी विल सिंप्लीफाई दिस. ये जो स्क्वायर यहाँ पे है ये 2 का भी स्क्वायर है और x स्क्वायर का भी स्क्वायर है. जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर दो टर्म्स है, 2 है और x स्क्वायर है, तो ये जो ब्रैकेट के बाहर स्क्वायर है ये स्क्वायर दोनों का है, 2 का भी है और x स्क्वायर का भी है. तो 2 का स्क्वायर 4 और बेटा x स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर क्या होगा, x स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर होगा x रेज़ टू पावर 4. पावर रेज़ टू पावर में क्या होता है, they are multiplied, so that will be x raised to power 4. Clear? Okay. So here it will be x raised to power 4. Now next 2 into 2 into 1 by 2. So this 2 and this 2 can cancel out and you are left with 2x square plus this is 1 by 2 whole square. 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4. Clear? So this is how you will be using this formula a plus b whole square. Now we will study another formula which is a minus b whole square. So your another formula is a minus b whole square when you will have negative sign here instead of having positive sign. तो वो फॉर्मूला होता है a square minus 2ab plus b square. Please remember when you have negative here, the only change in your formula will be that this term 2ab will be negative. Earlier it was positive, now it is negative. So this is the only change. So now we will take some examples in which we will be using this second formula, right? Okay. So let us take example. So your example is x minus 1 by 3 whole square. So you can see here it's x minus 1 by 3 whole square. So it's resembling with a minus b whole square. So here value of a is x and value of b is 1 by 3. Like a की जगह पे x है और b की जगह पे 1 by 3 है. तो फॉर्मूला क्या है? a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let us substitute the values. a square मतलब a की जगह पे है x, so x square minus 2 a की जगह पे क्या आएगा? x and b की जगह पे क्या है? 1 by 3 plus b square b की जगह पे 1 by 3 square. Let us simplify. So it is x square minus 2 into 1 by 3 is 2 by 3 x plus 1 square is 1 and 3 square is 9. So this is how you will apply the second formula a minus b whole square. We will check one more example. So next example that we are taking is m minus 1 by n whole square. Right? तो यहाँ पे अब a की जगह पे क्या है? m और b की जगह पे क्या है? इस b की जगह पे क्या है? 1 by n. So in place of a you are having m and in place of b you are having 1 by n. So let us apply the formula. Formula says a square means a की जगह m है so m square minus 2 a की जगह पे m b की जगह पे 1 by n plus b square तो b की जगह पे है 1 upon n square. So it will become m square minus 2 into m into 1 by n. It means it is 2m over n. Right? Plus 1 का square 1 और n का square you can write like n square. Clear? So this was your second example in which we applied this formula a minus b whole square. Okay. Now I hope this formula is